Welcome. As always, my name's David, and this is Stocks Matter. I have an absolutely mind blowing stock today, but only if you're interested in two things: Tom Brady and making money. This ticker is LTNC. LTNC goes by the name of Labor Smart. Before we get into the good stuff involving Tom Brady, we have to see what LTNC does. To begin, LTNC is a staffing company, sort of like GEX Management, but it's acting as a holding company also. The website is very simple and secured, and early last year they acquired a pizza restaurant and also got hit by COVID, but with deliveries they managed to make it profitable. LTNC provides labor to help businesses with production deadlines, staff shortages, or short notice temp labor needs. Not too bad. The CEO stated he could expand the business to more states, but requires capital. So there's room to grow here. Jumping to the OTC Market website, I'm sure we all see the big red stop sign and also the words dark or defunct. And of course, underneath is the verified profile that shows it was verified a month ago. At least there aren't any skull or crossbones, because then I would have questions. So at this point, you're questioning if this is a joke that a pink sheet with these warnings is getting some sort of partnership with Tom Brady. To find the answer we're looking for, we need to go to the Twitter page of the CEO. The CEO did a live stream with a man named Stan the Trading Man on Twitter. I took notes if you want to watch the live stream yourself, and I would highly recommend it. The link will be in the description. But anyways, the key moments of the call, stating the two words investors love to hear: no reverse split and no dilution. The CEO has Alpha Capital, an investment banker, and uses this to raise capital that will be invested. So he keeps his word on the no dilution to shareholders using Alpha Capital. CEO stated he can take low cost debt. CEO also owns over 1.6 billion but under 2 billion shares, and he's been accumulating these for 5 years. There was a press release 3 days ago that LTNC now accepts Bitcoin and Ethereum as payment. At the end of the live stream, the CEO admits that he has connections with the NFL and MLB, and also states that the acquisition is related to the sports industry. He couldn't say the real name because of the NDA, but he also has plans on a name change once the acquisition goes through. In the live stream, they also talk about revenue. So for revenue, for 2018, they had 3.6 million. In 2019, they had 6.5 million. And in 2020, they had 4.4 million. But COVID did eat their revenue this year, but there will be a comeback, as stated by the CEO, of being on track for 8 to 10 million, not including the acquisition that they're looking for. So over the past few days, the CEO has been posting that they will have a hydro water acquisition. And also today, Alex Guerrero announced that LTNC looking forward to Monday and a bright future ahead. So there's going to be a lot of hype on this now. Alex is a co-founder of TB12 Sports. He's also Tom Brady's personal trainer and best friend. TB12 is like Tom Brady's signature store. To confirm this, I went to the database here for TB12, and as shown here, you could see Alex is a director with also Tom Brady on the bottom. Also on the Twitter, it says right there that they are connected together on TB12. There is no real name to who the acquisition is, but this connection to TB12 is worth it alone. We should get a clearer idea next week if the CEO drops any filings, which he said he would, so be on the lookout for that. To me, the chart is very bullish. Take a look at the support it built up at the penny mark. It's absolutely incredible. Bull flag spotted with a breakout coming next week. Accumulation waiting for a bigger move, and higher lows with lower highs set up perfectly. Watch for the resistance at 0.0155 and also 0.0140. For support, just watch the penny mark because that's where it held the most strength in comebacks. And MA5 is also above and shows it consolidated on the 1 hour. My take on LTNC is the CEO is looking very bright towards the company. The CEO has plenty of transparent posts that you can look over, cares for the shareholders first and puts himself second. This deal will also bring lots of attention on Monday since Alex tweeted and tagged LTNC today. The downside is the no information on who the acquisition will be and how it will all work out, so be aware of that. but this is a once in a lifetime deal to see Tom Brady connected with an OTC. Either way, thanks for watching, and as always, enjoy.